we are going to be talking about our sense of taste and how our sense of taste helps us experience some of our favorite flavors in the foods that we eat and the drinks that we drink, including and especially Dr. Pepper. All right, so the best way to talk about how our sense of taste helps us experience our favorite foods and beverages is through a really cool experiment. It's really easy. I try out this experiment all the time at the Dr. Pepper Museum with our lovely visitors. Unfortunately, since I'm working from home today, I'm a little short-staffed. So I'm going to be trying out the experiment on myself. I've never done this before, so it'll be interesting to see what I put my visitors through and my volunteers through on a daily basis. Now, my lovely assistant, my cameraman, Andrew, has helped me out. He has taken three fruit-flavored candies, and placed them on this paper towel in front of me. It's covered up with another paper towel, so I can't see the candies, but in just a second, I'm going to remove the paper towel, and I'm going to sample each of the candies and try to figure out the flavor of each of those candies. Now, the trick here is you want to isolate your sense of taste. So that means closing your eyes, because your sight can definitely impact the way you experience flavor, and also pinching your nose shut so you're not smelling any flavors that might be coming from whatever it is that you're eating. So we can go ahead and get started. I'm going to close my eyes, uncover these candies. There we go. There should be 3 of them there. I'm going to pinch my nose shut, grab my first candy. Here we are. All right, so I have no idea what color this is, what flavor this is. I'm going to go ahead and chew it and try to figure that out. It's hard chewing when you can't breathe through your nose. Okay. So I'm getting a very sweet taste. I mean, clearly it's a candy. Other than that, though, really not much of a flavor. It's super hard to tell. If I had to guess, I'm gonna go with lime. Is that right, Andrew?
That is not right.
Oh no, what flavor was it?
That one was strawberry.
Strawberry, okay. Even after I let go of my nose, I really couldn't experience it. That's amazing. Okay, so that was the first one. Let's go ahead and move on to the second candy. Go ahead and grab that. Try to find it. Okay, here we go. Close up shot of that. Pinch my nose shut again. Okay. All right, so sweet flavor again, but not much in the way of flavor like orange or anything. Huh. Okay. For this one, I am going to guess strawberry. I'm gonna go out on a limb here. I know the last one was strawberry, right?
Mm-hmm.
The last one was strawberry.
Yeah, the last one was strawberry.
But I'm gonna go ahead and go out on a limb and say that Andrew did 2 strawberries just to try to trip me up. So, was that one strawberry?
I wish it was, but that one was orange.
Oh man! Okay, and yeah, now that I've let go of my nose, I can absolutely taste the orange. It's very citrusy. Okay. All right, and then last one. Here we go. Right there. Okay, so I'm 0 for 2 right now. Let's see if I can redeem myself. Okay, so all 3 of these taste exactly the same. At this point, I'm kind of convinced that Andrew just put the exact same flavor out there, 3 of the same flavor on the paper towel. I'll have to watch the footage later to see if he's told the truth or not. Okay, shot in the dark, I have to say lemon or lime. Is that correct?
That is not correct.
Oh no, what was it?
That one was grape.
Yeah, I let go of my nose. I could definitely taste the grape.
Okay.
All right, so I did a terrible job of guessing those flavors of the candy, the fruit-flavored candy. Or not so much me, but my tongue did a terrible job of guessing those flavors. And the reason behind that It's because our tongue doesn't really help us experience complex flavors like orange or cherry or grape or lime or that sort of thing, which is kind of strange because if you've ever taken a sip of something or a bite of something and you really liked it, you'll say, man, that tasted so good. That taste was delicious. It was wonderful. So it's kind of strange, but our tongue and our taste buds, our taste receptors, while it does help us experience thousands of different tastes, the 5 basic tastes that we experience with our tongue is sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and savory, which is also sometimes called umami. So when you think about it, everything that you eat and everything that you drink, your tongue can only tell you this tastes sweet or sour or bitter or salty. In the case of sodas, pretty much every soda is very, very sweet. So that's what we experience with our tongue. We don't experience a cherry flavor, an orange flavor, that sort of thing with our sense of taste. It's pretty shocking, I know. In fact, it's an entirely different sense that helps us experience those complex flavors, which we will get into in an entirely different video. So in the meantime, feel free to try out this experiment at home. It doesn't have to be with candies. It can be with whatever you like. It can be with different beverages, different foods, different sweets. Round up a couple of family members or friends, anyone in your household, and try it out with them. Isolate your sense of taste and see how it goes. Thank you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.